Imagine betting $1 billion on something that could vanish in smoke. That's precisely the risk Microsoft took with OpenAI, a move initially met with skepticism, even from Bill Gates himself. Microsoft's journey with OpenAI is a fascinating story of vision, risk, and potentially astronomical reward. Back in 2019, when OpenAI was still a relatively unknown entity, Microsoft made its first significant investment, a cool $1 billion. Fast forward to today, and that investment has ballooned to over $13 billion, solidifying Microsoft's position as a major player in the AI revolution. But here's where it gets controversial. While the partnership now seems like a stroke of genius, it wasn't always perceived that way. In a recent interview on the tech-focused YouTube show TPBN, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella revealed that even within Microsoft, the initial investment faced considerable scrutiny. Even at Microsoft, you kind of have to get a board approval to just go throw $1 billion out there, Nadella explained. But I must say, it was not that hard to convince anyone that this is an important area and it's going to be risky. Nadella acknowledged the inherent risk, emphasizing that no one expected such a massive return on investment at the time. And this is the part most people miss. The initial skepticism extended to none other than Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft. Nadella recounted that Gates was particularly wary, especially considering OpenAI's initial status as a non-profit organization. According to Nadella, Gates even quipped that investing in OpenAI would be akin to burning this $1 billion. Think about that. One of the greatest tech minds of our time initially believed this investment was likely to fail. Despite the reservations, Microsoft moved forward, demonstrating a high tolerance for risk and a belief in the potential of AI. We kind of had a little bit of high-risk tolerance, and we said, we want to go and give this a shot. Nadella said, "It's a powerful testament to the importance of taking calculated risks in the pursuit of innovation." The company representatives for Nadella and Gates at Microsoft did not respond to requests for comment as to whether or not the two had discussed the matter further. OpenAI's rise to prominence has been nothing short of meteoric. The launch of ChatGPT in November 2022 catapulted the company into the mainstream. The AI chatbot quickly went viral, amassing 1 million users within just 5 days. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, proudly announced at the company's annual Dev Day conference on October 6 that ChatGPT now boasts over 800 million users every week. That's nearly 1/10 of the world's population. More recently, OpenAI completed a significant restructuring, transitioning from a non-profit to a public benefit corporation, overseen by its non-profit arm, the OpenAI Foundation. This change has further solidified Microsoft's position, giving the company a 27% stake in OpenAI's for-profit business, valued at approximately $100. It raises some interesting questions. Was Bill Gates right to be cautious? Or was Nadella's willingness to take a risk the key to unlocking OpenAI's potential? What does this say about risk assessment in the rapidly evolving world of AI? And perhaps most importantly, are we on the verge of a new era of technological advancement driven by similar high-stakes investments? I invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Do you agree with Gates's initial assessment, or do you believe Nadella's vision was the driving force behind this success story? Let's discuss.